This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max with Apple leather case. It has been 5 years. The outside is completely beat up. This is what happens to genuine leather when it absorbs your skin oil and sweat over time. It's not damage exactly, it's just normal aging. But the inside microfiber lining is still perfect. Buttons are still tactile. Case is still holding its shape after 5 years. Apple stopped making these, and I genuinely miss them. If you have ever missed the Apple leather case like me, there's one case that comes surprisingly close in terms of build quality, grip and texture. Let's have a look at it. This is Beng's Kevlar case. The main reason I bought this was the material. Kevlar is a synthetic fiber and one of the toughest materials humans have ever created. It's the same material used in bulletproof jackets. Yes, you heard it right. If you'd like to know more about the material, I will leave this link for this article in the description. The packaging is clean and straightforward. The box calls out the Kevlar material right on the front. It's actually a licensed partnership with DuPont, the company that makes genuine Kevlar fiber. So it's not just a marketing word, it is real. I went with reddish orange case, which is called Golden Tide. It goes well with desert titanium. Flip it over and the inside has a soft lining which also supports Magsafe. Let's put it on the phone. Look how snug the case fits to the phone. It is genuinely thin and almost feels like there's no case at all. I'd weighed a few other cases I have. Starting with Apple leather case, it is 32 grams. A regular transparent case is 34 grams. ESR kickstand case is 51 grams. Another Beng's case I have is 36 grams. But then, Kevlar case is just 25 grams despite being a toughest case. You can feel the weight difference the moment you pick it up. I have been using this for about a year now. I have accidentally dropped the phone 5 or 6 times, both indoors and outdoors, but the phone was always safe. There is a tiny chip in the color of the case. I am not sure if you can see it on camera. Other than that, the phone protection has been rock solid and the case is as good as new. The finish on the outside also gives you a really good grip. It has this slightly leathery textured feel to it, which is exactly what reminded me of the Apple leather case in the first place. Icing on the cake is, the case has very strong magnet built in. If you use a lot of Magsafe accessories, you will enjoy this. One thing you should know is, getting the case off is not easy, it fits very tight. If you are someone who changes cases often, you will need to apply a bit of force to remove it. I was nervous the first time, thought I would break the case. But you won't. Just bend it from the corners and it will come off. Kevlar can easily handle that. Honestly, most flagship phones these days stay with you for 4 or 5 years. If you want just one case that will go the whole distance with you, this is a serious option. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.